the morning after EBC in our tea house in Gorakshep. So we are now hiking back to Dingboche today. Trekkers going down and trekkers going up. That's Lobuche. We stayed here the other night, but because we're not stopping here, we're going straight to Dingboche, and that's where we're staying for the night. It's a solar panel. This is what they use here. Mother Earth. That is Lobuche Peak. Letting those people with the yellow tent or training for climbing Lobuche. So I just came from Lobuche, so this is now the memorial place before heading down to Thokla for lunch, and then we're staying at Dingboche for tonight. Beautiful here. These are like memorial rocks. These are the memorial for those who died trying to climb Mount Everest. Sige. So this is Thokla. This is where we're gonna have our lunch before going straight to Dingboche. It's probably about around 2 p.m. now. There's a makeshift bathroom. That is behind that rocks. So this during winter time, this is the house of the yaks. House of yaks. Finally, we're almost down near Dingboche, so we're taking our time to take pictures. There's nothing to do once we get to the hotel, so we'll just want to capture some memories because we found that we don't remember many of these trails coming back because the last time we were here it was snowing and it was very, very windy, and this is so beautiful here. And behind me is Mount Amadablam. That's a technical climb for those real mountaineers. It's beautiful. Hi, Teresa. Teresa is just on the other side now, over there. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah. Where I'm going now. This is the best part of the trail. It's from Dingboche to Lobuche. Then after that, Lobuche to all the way to EBC was very hard. Really, really hard because we have to walk through rocks and big rocks and boulders. This is our trail. Imagine walking like this with a beautiful view. I wasn't able to do most of videos and photos on the way to EBC because it's very difficult wearing gloves, and this time it's a beautiful day. We climbed EBC yesterday and now we're going back to Dingboche. We passed Lobuche, so we are walking double this time. It's beautiful, isn't it? And that's down below there in the valley.
Kasama naman ako. May profile picture na ako.
Deepak, we finally able to take video pictures because we don't have to rush now. They're saying that there's nothing to do in the hotel anyway, right? So anyway, this is Deepak, our lead guide. He's like a father to us, very strict. He always checks our oxygen level, and he makes sure that we're not sick. And and this is Adet. Hi, Adet.
Hi.
Yeah.
Namaste. We're taking things slow now.
Yeah.
But
So
we're
if I
tired.
go around like this,
Finally made
You
it.
can see
See how
Periche down
beautiful?
there. You can see Periche down there. We're supposed to
Yeah,
stay
Ahmad
there.
the Blum
but,
at the
There's
back.
the Ahmad the Blum behind you.
Yeah, Ahmad the-
Blum.
Ahmad the Blanc.
Ahmad the Blanc, yeah. See how beautiful? Beautiful if I go it like this. There. Anong ginagawa mo? We are very happy because we did it.
EBC.
We already done EBC, the hardest part, yesterday. You want to say something? Okay, talk.
We're good. I'm not pooped today, but yesterday, yes. But we're fine.
This is a nice valley, actually.
121 kilometers.
That's
Round
how
trip,
we,
yeah.
that's how we walk the track.
Yeah, round trip. 121.
we're not-
77 miles.
But we're not done yet. We still have to go home. We still have to go
two
back.
more. That's
2 more days to
so
walk.
chicken. Chill lang.
Yeah.
Two days, and that's
I've lost a lot
chill.
of weight already.
This time, we're taking 2 days walk
We
back
passed.
to
We passed
Lukla.
yesterday. 12 hours.
Before it took us 4 days. Now we're only gonna walk it for 2 days.
Yes,
So
yesterday we walked 12 hours going to
that's
Gorak Shep
tiring.
and then going to
exhausted.
Everest Base Camp. 12 hours. And no joke, 17 kilometers. Ascending, see?
So I have to tell a story about that one. On the way we went from Lobuche to Gorak Shep. We stopped because that's where we have what we're gonna stay, and we took our lunch. We only ate noodle soup. And then at 1 o'clock, because we couldn't eat anymore, at 1 o'clock we did the assault to Everest Base Camp. We were walking through rocks and stones and ridge. We were
Snow.
and it's very very
Dusty.
high. It was really halfway there. I
Snow.
was getting hungry
Dusty.
and losing energy. So
Yeah, and
we
those
were
the rocks.
it was
It's
really,
so
really
frightening.
hard. And Teresa said, well, we're almost there. So we reached the end, but then we have to go down all the way down
the
to
camp.
get near the camp. So I said, we're
There's so
here,
many
let's
campers,
just do it
actually.
no matter what. Even though if we have to climb down, we know that we're gonna climb back up, and that's the hardest because we were at the how many feet?
5,000.
5,000
meters.
Which one? The Everest?
Yeah.
No,
Base
the
camp.
base camp.
5,420
Yeah, it was so hard
meters.
to breathe.
Yeah. So
that
on the
is-
way,
almost 18,000 feet.
so we reached it at 4 p.m. We took pictures for about half an hour. There's so many people, so we can't really take decent pictures, but we were happy. Nevertheless, so we climbed back
I still
up
look
to go
cutie.
back to
Even I'm poop. I still look cute.
to Gorashep, and halfway back to Gorashep, we were really dragging ourselves.
now-
we were exhausted, and I thought I was gonna pass out.
I was feeling
I
Yeah,
was
because-
very hungry,
You know
with
why?
no energy.
Yesterday we walked 12
hungry
hours,
only, but could not
ascending
eat all.
17 kilometers, and now we're going down. We're passing by 3 peaks from Gorakshep.
Yeah.
We're going down to Lobuche. After Lobuche, Thokla. We're done with Thokla, and then Dingboche.
Yeah.
And the
But
way
anyway,
from
I was,
Thokla
um,
to Lebuche to
An hour away from our hotel in Gorakshep, one of the porter helped me. He was actually dragging me because we have to climb a few steps. So he was pulling me, and then and it was getting dark, so we had to rush. But we made it. So that's, I think, the best part. And everybody had a slight headache. And no,
Headache.
last night.
Last night?
Last
I
night.
didn't have.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, that's good for you.
Only my feet.
But
I was
yeah,
so
and then this is the first time I couldn't eat at all because of exhaustion, and the first time. And then I had a slight headache. I think other people were feeling the same thing. And but then it is the first time I slept for 8 hours because we have comforters, really thick
smells
comforters.
dusty.
And although it's dusty, we didn't care. We're dirty anyways.
We're dirty anyway.
If you look at
we
my
didn't have
hands,
a shower for how many days?
look at my fingers, it's all dirty.
Fingers.
I have a little. Wait, I have a
How
little
many days we
frostbite.
didn't take a shower?
It's moving.
That was
Is that-
from
Deepak
Namche
said it's a little
Bazaar.
frostbite. I had to put
Ayo
salt.
sama Bistare.
Bistare.
Sorry.
Here,
Bistare,
you look
bistare.
frostbite.
Apa?
Bistare?
The guy is saying to hurry up.
Her,
Hurry up.
no, Bistare is slow.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Why you have a girlfriend?
All right, we have to go.
Okay,
See
we have to
you.
go. See you.
You have girlfriend?
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste, Filipinas.
Okay. So that's Periche down below. So for us, we have about 25 more minutes to go down to Dingboche. So let's go. It's getting cold. Let's go.
Ano, nasa gitna ng dalawang mountain, boom.
So this is Dingboche, and you can hear the river. And if I go closer and you go up all the way there to the end, you see that mountain in with the snow. That's Island Peak. Mountaineers climb that. That's one of the famous mountains. And of course, Amada Blum. That's another one. Right? That's one of our porter. What's your name?
Yeah.
Name.
Yeah.
What do I call you? Name. Uh, this is the view from our room. It's a nice day today. No snow. Snow. We are now leaving Dingboche. We are passing Dingboche down to Namche Bazaar. This is beautiful. This is Dingboche. We are now leaving Dingboche. And we're gonna go walk passing Lobuche down to Namche Bazaar. Actually, Lobuche ba Dingboche? We are passing Dingboche down to Namche Bazaar. This is beautiful. This is Dingboche. Hey, Dad. Catching up with us.
Kumar!
Hi, hello.
Namaste!
And there's more.
Namaste!
It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
Is it? 8 o'clock?
Yes. And then I'm gonna go up. I'm over here already. This is Nest Hotel, and it's 5:45 a.m. Good morning, Lukla. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. These people are now rushing to go to the airport. And that's the airport. The shortest runway in the world.
Ilang kilo niya, ilang kilo? Sa airport na to dahil po sa isang eroplano na hindi pa dumarating. Ang aming passport ay nakakalat. Sita!
Wala kaming ticket.
And this is Peter.
Nasaan ka na?
Our trek is not enjoy. We are joyful because of him.
Oh, balot, balot! Balot kayo dyan. Taho. Taho.
Pinoy si Raulo.
We're at the Lukla airport waiting for our check-in. And we're getting to Kathmandu. And the small airport is very busy, congested now, waiting to check in every individual airlines. We now went through the check-in and customs, so we're now waiting.